Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Whirlpool washer stuck on sensing in 2026. So during sensing, the washer checks the load weight and the distribution, the water level response and the lid lock status. So if any of these signals are unclear, the washer keeps repeating the sensing phase. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to remove all the clothes and start a cycle. If the washer moves past sensing, it means that the issue is load related and not system related. After doing so, you need to rebuild the load properly as well. When adding the clothes, you just have to place the items evenly around the drum. Avoid dumping everything in one side. The uneven loads confuse the sensing system. Now, after doing so, you just have to close the lid and listen for a locking click. If the lid is not detected as locked, the washer will stay stuck on sensing. So you need to press gently the latch and then you need to test it again. After doing so, you can also start a cycle and watch. If water enters slowly and stops, the water cannot calculate load properly in this case. So you need to check your water supply flow as well. Now you can also run a rinse cycle without detergent, and this clears residue that can affect the water level sensing. Foam buildups can then confuse the system. So you can also do a quick reset. For that, you can unplug your washer and wait for about 3 to 5 minutes, then plug it back in and restart it. So this also resets the sensing logic. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.